guys, welcome and welcome back again. It's Ada here again, and today we are going to be doing this sweet chili chicken, and I'm going to be showing you guys this recipe. Of course, I already have my chicken washed and everything. So now we have our curry. I'm going to be putting everything in the description box as usual, so just don't worry, go down and you'll see everything on there. I have my paprika, I have my chili powder, I have my Goya seasoning. Most of my seasonings I get them from Walmart or Sam's. So I have my cayenne pepper, and depending on how spicy you like your food, you don't have to add all of that, but I just like spicy food. Of course, I'm Nigerian, so I love spicy food. I have garlic, I have my nut powder, and then you're just going to go ahead and mix that chicken. Make sure everything you're seasoning like they get in the chicken very well. Mix everything, and as usual add our little corn flour, and then you're going to just toss it around just gently, what I'm doing. Now in our hot oil, you're just going to fry your chicken. Ooh, that looks so good. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you guys content back to back. So go ahead. I know, just look at my channel, like you're definitely going to see everything that you like on here. So go ahead and subscribe if you have not done that already. Subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. So now you're going to fry your chicken until it's golden brown. Yep. And it's done, so we have to take that out so we can make our sauce. So in a pot or a pan, put in your butter. I'm going to be adding honey. Of course, it's sweet chili, so it's kind of like sweet and spicy kind of thing. So now I'm putting in my honey. Just put as much, depending on how big or how small your chicken is. That's how you know how your sauce will be. So I'm going to give you guys like a measurement kind of thing in the description box. So now I'm adding my ketchup. So I'm going to be giving you guys like a kind of like a measurement or something. So I'm using this hot sauce. It's the Louisiana thing hot sauce. And then you're just going to keep turning that and just let it cook for maybe like 3-5 minutes. It does not have to be so long. But just make sure everything kind of like blends in properly, and let that simmer for a bit. So this is how it is. It's boiling, and I make sure it's just not so much but not so short. So now we are going to be pouring that on our chicken. And then mix everything properly. Make sure that the sauce is properly mixed, everything is mixed, and you can go ahead and serve that. Ooh, look at that chicken. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please go ahead and like this video, share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to leave a comment. Very important, leave a comment. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you, bye.